Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you. Well, the water crisis in Delhi are deepening, where the long lines of people were seen queuing up on Tuesday to fetch water from the tankers across the parts of national capital as the city sizzled in the summer heat. Morning visuals showed people from Kusumpur Pahadi and Vasant Vihar and Geeta Colony and Okhla area seen standing in queues, holding onto cans and buckets and crowding around water tankers. Amid soaring temperatures, these scenes have become a daily occurrence in the national capital in many areas since the start of the summer season this year. One local resident from the Okhla described the plight and said that their whole day goes in fetching water from for their family from these tankers to their homes. Chanakyapur Sanjay Camp, Geeta Colony in East Delhi, Patel Nagar and Mehrauli and Chhatrapur are some of the worst hit areas in the national capital that have been affected by severe water crisis. Meanwhile, water crisis also incited a political storm in national capital with both BJP and Aam Aadmi Party at loggerheads. The Aam Aadmi Party has accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of orchestrating the shortage in a national capital by trying to block the flow of water. Flow of water into the national capital. The BJP has been blaming the Aam Aadmi Party government for the water crisis, saying that it did not take effective action against the tanker mafia who pilfer water. It also even held protests in different parts of Delhi against the water crisis. Congress, which recently fought the Lok Sabha elections in alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital, has also held protests in national capital. Earlier on Monday, Delhi Water Minister Atishi appealed Haryana government to release the water and solve the problems of the people of Delhi amid the escalating water crisis and sweltering heat. Addressing the media person, Atishi said that today we are here at Wazirabad Barrack. Water from here is sent to various water treatment plants. In Wazirabad, barrage receives no water. The water from Yamuna goes to water treatment and then is resent to Delhi's public after retreatment. But there is no water in Yamuna. The reason is why supply is halted. I can stand before the Haryana government with a folded hand and appeal to save the lives of Delhi public, she added. Till the time Haryana doesn't release water into the Yamuna, water shortage will continue in Delhi. Monarch Canal receives very little water, and on the other hand, Wazirabad Barrage receives no water. The water from Yamuna goes to the water treatment and is then resent to Delhi's public after retreatment. But there is no water in Yamuna. The reason why the supply is halted, I can say and stand before the Haryana government with folded hands in appeal to save the lives of Delhi's public, Atishi said, while requesting the Haryana government to leave water in the Yamuna river. Haryana Chief Minister, on the other hand, Naib Singh Saini, took a pot shot at Delhi's government for neglecting and mismanaging the issue of water supply and stated that the state is providing an adequate amount of water to national capital. Naib Singh Saini said that we are providing them sufficient water. First, the Aam Aadmi Party government should do some introspection on themselves. They are more focused on corruption rather than fulfilling its promises to the public. They should focus on implementing development schemes, he said, for the public of Delhi rather than doing politics and corruption around such topics. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.